Hello, Algebra 2. I had some questions on one of the questions from the quiz. This is question number 11 on your guys' take-home quiz, or at least it's like that question. A population gains 50% per hour. How much will the population be? How much of the population will there be after 24 hours? So we're talking about exponential growth here. And for our exponential growth word problems, we are either using the initial amount times 1 plus r over n to the nt power, or we're using this formula, the initial amount 1 plus r to the t. We would use this formula if it ever talked about how often it compounds, but it never does in this problem. So it's not going to be this formula, it's going to be this one. We have our initial amount p, and we know it's gaining at 50% per year. Turn 50% into a decimal by moving the decimal over twice, to the power of 24 in this case. Now, the reason why it's okay, to use this number, even though this is in terms of hours here, is because we know it gains 50% per hour. So the unit of measurement matches here and how often it gains its percent. So we can go ahead and figure out what our answer is using these numbers. We don't know what p is. We don't know what our initial amount is. We just know it started out with p. We're going to leave p in there as our answer, or in our answer. So doing the math part of this, 1.5 to the 24 power is going to get you 1, 6, 8, 3, 4. That's this number, and we still have the p. So we started out with p, an unknown number, an unknown amount of a population. And because it was gaining 50% every 24 hours, we know that by the end of the 24 hours, we're going to have 16,834 times whatever that p quantity was. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and that should help you out with that question on the quiz.